Hey guys, welcome back to Motorwork. It's Braden here again. It's getting cold out here. It's mouse season. We're getting into winter. I know what that means. Pesky little rodents, they want to get into the warmth. They want into your engine, into your car. How do we keep them out? These mouse blockers here we have in stock are awesome. They have two active deterrents in them, a flashing light, the second one being a loud frequency that emits a rodent in distress. They'll hear the sound, they'll scurry the other way. These, you also don't have to worry about the battery going dead. They have a built-in battery monitor that once it sees the battery get below 11.5 volts, it turns the mouse blocker off so that you can always start your car. We just brought these in about a year ago. We've tested them. We know that they work against mice, rats, squirrels. These guys are here about 150 bucks plus install. They'll keep the rodents away from chewing any sort of electrical components, insulation, anything that can cause some issues. If you have any questions or want to just talk about how these work further, come and see us here at the shop, give us a call or email us.